7 o'clock in the morning. Here we go, South Central Düsseldorf. Major emergency. 10,000 people shot in Düsseldorf. Lights flashing. Oh my God, it's another terror attack. What are we gonna do? We're gonna throw them in fucking Siegburg prison and torture all the good people. Hang them 20 in 2 months. It's just total chaos in Düsseldorf, the 1 million people city. We need flashing lights every morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. Guns flying everywhere, and then they turn the sirens off. I mean, it's what can you say about this place? I mean, it's just unbelievable. Every morning, 7 o'clock, there's bullets flying all over the place.